All right, guys, here we are out in the garage. I needed more room to actually put this ladder together. As you can see, I have two non-treated pieces of wood at 4 feet tall. I'll be staining those pieces of wood, and I'll be showing you. I purchased some brown shoe polish from Family Dollar. I'm using that because I used all my regular wood stain that I had, because I'm going to be using everything that I currently have in my stash, and I'll be using everything that I have for the upcoming videos, the Thanksgiving ones and the Christmas ones. So here you see, here I'm staining, and as you can see, this brown shoe polish is actually working pretty good. I actually like the color of it. And I'm going to paint or stain all sides on each board. If this is your first time here, thank you for clicking on my video and spending a little time with me. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to thank you also for supporting me. So here is where both of the wood pieces are completed. And then I'm going to take those smaller pieces of wood, and I actually got those from Dollar Tree. Those are the 10-inch pieces of wood. I'm going to do the same thing, just going to stain all sides of each one. So here I have it laid out, just positioning my ladder so that I can attach the middle parts. So I was just measuring up here. I believe I did like 5 inches from the bottom and 5 inches from the top. And then in between I did 13, maybe 12 inches in between how I space them out. How many of you really like the fall season? Let me know down in the comments. And what is your favorite thing to do in the fall? I love fall. It's cool at fall time, and it just gets you in a good mood. And I just love it. I love fall. So here, as you can see, I'm gonna attach my ladder, put my ladder together with my nail gun. They're just small brad nails. And yes, you can use a drill if you like. I'm gonna use this nail gun. So I changed the nail so that I know that it's long enough to go, you know, into the wood. So I'm just carefully positioning my fingers, my hand, before I nail anything. So I'll be nailing it all together. And I'm just flipping it over so that I can do the other side. And here it is, it's all done. And now we can go and make it pretty. And this is how it turned out. Now you can decorate your ladder however you want, and I can tell you right now, I will be using my ladder for all the seasons. So it'll be decorated differently every time. I hope that you like this one. If you did, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I appreciate you all. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.